Hey guys, here's a tip on how to clean dirty Plastisol ink. As you can see, if you get in close there, you can tell my ink is getting pretty dirty, and it usually collects a lot of lint and other particles that can get in there, even bits of tape. And you can actually salvage your ink instead of just throwing it away. And what I do is I'll take one of my screens that I've been using. Now I like to use a nice 110 mesh screen here, and what I'll do, if I have the time and I want to clean some of this ink up that I'm going to want to use, is I will just put it on the screen like this, and I will work it back and forth. And as you can see, right there is a piece of tape, and then there's a bunch of other little pieces of trash in there. So I just work it back and forth like this, and I'll usually have 2 tubs, or I'll just use the same tub. But this is what I'll do, and then I'll grab some more ink, put it on here, and this is a great knife to use. You can get these at Walmart or even Hobby Lobby. These are cake icing spatulas, I guess they call them. I'm not sure, but they use them for cake decorating and spreading the icing on cakes. And I like to use these for all my mixing of inks and whatnot. They just have a long, nice handle to them, and they're bent, and they work really well. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep going at this. I'll usually do like 2 scoopfuls at a time, and once I've kind of worked the ink through the other side, you'll notice I have a nice bunch of ink that is just as clean as can be. You can see how smooth that is. There's no lint or trash or little particles in the ink, and it just looks really good. So I just wanted to share this little tip with you guys. You can gather this up, put it right back into your ink tub, and you got a nice bunch of clean ink there. So that's just a tip from someone who's been doing screen printing for a while, and I'll do this sometimes when I need good clean ink. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.